Hello, enterprise who is looking for multi-cloud. Soon they found CloudBrain as one of the options. Enterprises needs to improve overall productivity of IT operations and take cloud advantages like high implementation speed, information access at any time from anywhere, cloud, data center, storage, network, database and container. Enterprises knows that legacy migration is not so easy. Enterprises are worried about the problems like decision-making and gap analysis, cost management, automation and orchestration. One platform for public and private cloud. Enterprises found one solution for their problem, one platform that migrates their cloud to another cloud. Take control with Click2Cloud CloudBrain platform, where it provides them with great features like comparison and cloud selection, migration solutions, predictive analysis, cost and budget management. Click2Cloud's multi-cloud extension for storage management platform OpenSDS provides the high capacity of storage and usage in an easy way. Let us see how Click2Cloud's CloudBrain helps enterprises to boost their business with its great features. CloudBrain uses OpenSDS Gelato project for multi-cloud extension for storage management and has created a level playing choice for its customers. In S2C integrated OpenSDS extension and build key features on top of it. Now enterprise can do real-time migration, check the progress, abort the migration, can schedule migration, and can predict the time required for migration. Backup of their data. Storage to cloud migration helps to migrate the storage bucket from one cloud to other cloud by simply drag and drop function. In this scenario, object storage such images, VHDs or any kind of files are migrated from source cloud Ceph, Azure and AWS to destination Azure, AWS and Alibaba Cloud. Storage migration helps growing businesses require more space on cloud environment to cope with increasing demands. Inevitably, this is an ideal platform for businesses with a fluctuating market. Get the advantage of cost cutting as there is no need to purchase expensive systems and equipment for storage. Businesses can use the server and infrastructure capacity of CloudBrain service provider. Takes backup of the data at a safe and secure location and protects it from sudden power failure, natural disaster, or other crisis. While integrating the Hotspot extension, end user can connect devices and manage the life cycle of block volume like create volume, resize volume, delete volume, create snapshot, and many more features we will add in future. Click term retention. For CloudBrain provides a complete analysis about resources consumption for different clouds, provides comparison and best 3 offers, overall CPU usage, present and past migration analysis, and overall monthly cost. More details, please contact us at mail@contact@click2cloud.net. Thank you so much.